Wayne Dalton has a tremendous successful history in the rolling steel platform. And so through that storied history, we've had a multiplicity of successes throughout the years. And through the pandemic, that presented challenges for everyone within the industry, mainly supply challenges. Those challenges were going to present tremendous amount of changes that would be necessary. And smart companies take those opportunities to determine how best to move forward.
One of the most important things is picking the right leader. Wise people know what they don't know, and Walter's one of those guys. He knows what he doesn't know, so he asks a lot of questions and he relies on people. That helped Walter establish himself in the eyes of the folks here in his team, and then he helped build using the team. He gave them opportunities and put them in places where they could succeed, and that helped build and reestablish the culture that is today.
Every order is an audition, and if we're trying to get people to buy from us again, we have to put our best foot forward on every order, because that might be literally the one chance that that customer is going to give us to buy more product.
Everyone that works here recognizes it's a collaborative effort. As they look around and they see some of the people that have been here for just so long, and the passion that they have, and the way that they talk about their positions, and the way they talk about what they produce, and the pride that's in that comes through every day.
To be on this team, you have to be that strong player. You have to come to work. You have to work in a safe manner. You have to care about the quality of your products. You have to pay attention to detail on the timing. So really the evolution, and rather than seeing frowns everywhere, to see smiles, that's personally rewarding for me.
What we've accomplished here in the last 12 to 18 months, is it extraordinary? Is it amazing? I can't find a word for the direction that they're headed in. I'm astounded and extremely proud of what this group has done.
To the Wayne Dalton customers, we are thankful to you for your business and your loyalty throughout the years. We know that the Wayne Dalton rolling facility is stronger now than it's ever been, and the future is very, very bright for us, and we look forward to all that it continues to bring.